In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple accounts to Meta Quest 3. Whether you're sharing your device with family members or friends, or maybe you just want to keep different profiles for different purposes, adding multiple accounts can really enhance your experience. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can easily set this up. First things first, turn on your Meta Quest 3 headset. Ensure it's fully charged or plugged into a power source, so we don't run out of battery halfway through this process. Once your headset is on, put it on your head and adjust it for a comfortable fit. You'll now find yourself in the home environment, which serves as the central hub for all your VR experiences. Now, from the main menu, you'll want to navigate over to the Settings application. This is where you'll find all the controls and features to manage your device. In the Settings, look for the Accounts option. This is usually towards the middle of the menu, so scroll or look around until you spot it. Once you're in the Accounts section, you'll see the option to Add Account. Selecting this will prompt you to enter the account details for the new profile you wish to add. It's important to note that if the person you're adding already has a Meta account, using that same account allows them to access their own purchases, settings, and preferences on the Quest 3. After selecting Add Account, you will be asked to log in. In structuring your entry here, ensure both your email address and password are input correctly. This avoids potential roadblocks and ensures a smooth login process. Confirm the login and you'll see the new account added to your device. Switching between accounts is seamless and can be done from the same Accounts menu. Simply select the account you wish to switch to, and the headset will transition to the selected account's environment. It's incredibly useful if you share the headset with others, as it ensures each user's apps, games, and settings are kept separate. Another tip is to regularly update the device's software. The Meta Quest system updates often include enhancements for multi-user functionality, so keeping the software up to date will ensure you can enjoy the latest features and improvements as they become available. Lastly, keep in mind that managing multiple accounts not only personalizes the experience for each user but also helps in maintaining privacy and security on the device. It's a beneficial feature for households with multiple users, making sure everyone can enjoy their VR time without overlapping preferences or data. And there you have it. Adding multiple accounts to your Meta Quest 3 is a straightforward process that allows you to personalize the VR experience for each user. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you get the most out of your Meta Quest 3.